Introducing Sensitive Drying System from Bosch, giving your fabrics the tender, loving care you want.
Have you ever worried that your tumble dryer might be too harsh on your delicate fabrics? With my Bosch, it's not a problem. Gentle, warm air flows from all directions, so washing doesn't stick to the side of the drum. Plus, special soft flow paddles keep your laundry constantly turning. Sensors detect how much moisture is left and end the cycle the second my washing is dried to perfection, without the risk of over-drying. So I get soft, fluffy, crease-free laundry every time.
Sensitive Drying System from Bosch. Gentler cycles to pamper your fabrics.